Top 5 things to do after a workout. Number 1. Hydrate. After a workout, it is important to replenish lost fluids by drinking water or an electrolyte-rich beverage. This will help you rehydrate and replenish any electrolytes lost through sweating. Number 2. Stretch. Stretching can help improve flexibility, prevent injury, and reduce muscle soreness. Aim to stretch all the muscle groups you work during your workout. Number 3. Eat a nutritious meal. Consuming a balanced meal with a combination of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats can help repair and rebuild muscle tissue, restore energy levels, and support overall recovery. Number 4. Take a rest day. If you exercised at a high intensity, your body needs time to recover. Give yourself a rest day and engage in low-impact activities such as yoga or light walking. Number 5. Sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for overall health and recovery. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night, as this is when your body does most of its repairing and rebuilding. Additionally, adequate sleep can improve your mood and cognitive function and enhance your overall athletic performance. Subscribe and like for more health and fitness tips.